here at the J-Village National Training Center in Fukushima, Japan. The grand start of the Tokyo Olympic torch relay was held here this morning. The ceremony was preceded by a performance from a group of residents, followed by a children's choir. After that, Japanese women's football team members lit the first torch. The organizers promised to ensure the safety and security of this event by taking countermeasures to prevent the spread of coronavirus infections. So the whole event was simplified and the number of participants was substantially curtailed. The grand start ceremony and the first section of the torch relay was not open to the public, but it was broadcast live via a Tokyo 2020 official channel. The torch relay will traverse Japan for 121 days, covering all 47 prefectures before reaching the Olympic Games opening ceremony in Tokyo on July 23rd.